So dear student, today here we are going to discuss the very important question from hydrogeology, which was asked in GATE 2019. Okay, this question was based on Darcy law. Okay, if you observe this question carefully, okay, in this diagram all the data is given. Here you need to calculate the hydraulic head at xy. Okay, at this xy barrier. Here h1 is given 50 meter, h2 is given 30 meter. So you can observe the movement of water flow in this direction. Okay, now K1 hydraulic conductivity is given. K2 again hydraulic conductivity in the right hand side, hydraulic conductivity in left hand side is given. Okay, now we need to assume here the Q discharge in left hand side is equal to discharge in the right hand side. Okay, based on this assumption and with equal amount of area, with these assumptions we can easily solve this question and calculate the H. Okay, hydraulic head at xy. Okay, here distance is 3 kilometer, distance is 4 kilometer, h1 is 50, h2 is 30. So if you see here, okay, so this is the solution. First let's consider hydraulic head at xy be h meter. Okay, now you know q discharge in the left hand side is equal to q discharge in the right hand side. Okay, and you know the flow direction, and consider area is equal, okay, in the both side. Now you know the Darcy law, q is equal to ka dh by dl. Okay, you can ignore minus sign here. Okay, because you know minus sign is indicating the decrease in the flow. Okay, decrease in flow. So k is equal to ka dh by dl. Okay, the change in head divided by change in length. So if you just substitute, consider this condition ql is equal to qr. Okay, so k1a h1 minus h. Okay, because flow is, if this is your diagram, okay, so flow is growing in this direction. Okay, so you will move from h1 to h, then here you have h1, this is h, and this is h2. Okay, so first it is moving from h1 to h, then h to h2. Okay, so h1, here h1 minus h divided by l1. Okay, length is given in the left hand side, then k2a h minus h2. Now it is moving from h to h2 l2. Okay, so area is same, so just cancel out the area. Now you have k1, just substitute 20, you have value of h1 50 minus h, distance means length, 3 kilometer. Okay, all the units get cancelled here. Okay, here meter per day, here kilometer. Okay, in the both end, because units are present in both side. If you solve this, just cross multiply. Okay, 3 multiplied by 3 9 here, and 4 into 2 8 here. If you solve this, you will get 400 plus 270 is equal to 9h plus 8h. 17h is equal to 670, and if you calculate h is equal to 670 by 70, you will get 39.41. So this is the hydraulic head at xy.